This is the Salloot Nova P5 Smart IPL hair removal device. I was sent this to review. Gorgeous, really soft carry case here. Your IPL and your power adapter are attached on this one. So there we go. The power adapter is actually bigger than the IPL device itself. And there is an attached cord management there, so that's nice. Down here, your power cord, 2-prong plug, your razor, your protective eyewear, and a branded cleaning cloth. These eyewear are foldable. I love that. They're also green. Very cool. They have a support card and how to create an account with tutorials and whatnot. A huge bonus of Salloot products, this one included, is that they have a free app. They've got tutorials for you. They will send you reminders when it's time for your next treatment. They will keep track of your treatments, which part of the body, the strength you're using, all of that stuff makes it so easy because you really have to keep to a strict schedule with IPL, especially the first few months. And it can be really hard to remember, like, did I use it a week ago like I was supposed to? I can't remember. So with Salloot, they keep track for you. So nice. And that is the C-Tone app. They've got a chart on here about what skin tone and hair tone it's gonna work for or not work for. And then here is the manual. You've got your diagram of the device, what it does, how to use it. The power cord also has cord management attached. So we're gonna plug that in, extend our cord. They already have the app because I've reviewed several of the Salloot products already. They're all amazing. Now I've got to pair this device to the app. If you're using the app, it'll automatically control the power level and all that for you. It's so easy. But if you're doing it manually, that's here on the side. You don't have to use the app, but if you want to, you've got bikini area, face, and body. So that's like armpits and legs. And then it'll have different power levels for each of those. Here is your cooling notification. That's gotten condensation on it because it is so ice cold. Look at this. Oh, so nice and cooling. Wow, look at that. That is gonna keep your skin so ice cool and like refreshed, even though the heat coming out of here is really strong to blast those hair follicles. That's gonna keep you nice and cool and comfortable everywhere, no matter where you're using it. Sensitive areas, not so sensitive areas, your lip, your chin, your legs, your toes, you name it. Then if you long press here, it goes into auto glide. So that's where it'll just continuously zap as you glide it along. And that's really great for like your legs, larger surfaces. And then you can turn it off with another long press. And now you can just manually click. So if you are maintaining, for example, you did your arms like me years ago and you just have like a random hair that's grown back, you can just zap that one hair. Love it. Nice big fan intake back here. This thing is so tiny and lightweight. Now, once you factor in the adapter, that's not lightweight. This is more lightweight. But this is laying down on your counter, so it's not like you're holding it or anything. You're only concerned about that weight if you're packing it for a trip or something, which it's still very portable. And don't forget, you got this little carry case.